Hey guys, it's Melody Lane and I am excited to show you what's in the Cricut Digital Mystery Box. Yes, it's Star Wars. This is amazing. 7 Star Wars image sets. Aren't these awesome? Can you imagine ironing these on to shirts? Okay, here's the next one. This is the typography. And next we have Galactic Line Art, 24 images. You could cut these out of vinyl and put them on for car decals and so much more. Iron them onto shirts. All right, let's see what's next. My favorite. I'm not a huge Star Wars fan. So let me show you what I did with 2 of these cards. I'm going to go live later today and put 2 of these cards together, but I changed up the cards. Look what I did. I made one happy birthday and I made a unicorn card. So I changed the word Star Wars to happy birthday and it cuts out and writes and goes deeper, and we'll be putting this together later. Live. And it does it so easy. There's no little pieces to set up in there, except for one little purple stripe. But that's it. Okay, let's go back and see what else is in the mystery box. Star Wars Halloween Sugar Skulls. They made one for iron-on and one for paper layers and one for layered vinyl. Those are pretty cool. Those are very different. And Star Wars infantry tags. I thought these would be cool if you cut out the base layer out of chipboard and then put the top on it. These would be great for any kind of Star Wars party, birthday party, or anything with a Star Wars theme. To give each guest one of these. And then Star Wars, it's beginning to look a lot like Sismas. So you have these kind of snowflake scenes, and then you have these other scenes I think would just be awesome on t-shirts. Dashing through the snow, or you can just put them on your windows. I love this one, the robots. Okay, let's see what's next. Star Wars Size Matters Not. I think these are really, really cute. Look at that one. May the Force be with you. Move along. Resistance droids. You can do so much with these. Now remember, this is a digital mystery box, so it doesn't run out, but it is only for a limited time. It's usually only about 2 weeks, and then that is the only way you can get these as a bundle. Otherwise, you're going to have to wait for it to come out, and they'll be individual images or individual sets. They will not be this big bundle that you can get for only $34.99. Yes, you can get them all for only $34.99, only in this digital mystery box. Otherwise, they'll be full price, and they're usually not available for a few months. So if you want them now, you got to get the mystery box. There's a link in the description below. I do get a small commission when you use that link, and I'm really not sure if my discount code works for these or not. So you can try my discount code. Someone told me it did, but it usually doesn't, so I'm not really sure. So go check out the digital mystery box. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you a little bit later in another live video putting together some of these cards. Not Star Wars. Bye.